This is a bike check. I got the perfect size handlebars for this bike. Ergonomic grips. Ergon chromoly forks from 2008 or something. If anybody knows what year this bike is, let me know in the comments. But I put an $800 wheel on a $200 bike. Strallaby Big Ben Plus, probably the best upgrade. Second best upgrade, Sapim CX X-ray spokes. So if you ever want to get bladed spokes and you don't have a bladed spokes hub, get Sapim CX X-ray. It will fit. And this thing is fast as hell. And I got perfectly matching pedals here. 155 millimeter cranks. If you're under 6 feet tall, always ride 150 millimeter cranks.